Hi, all of you. Welcome to Quan Masters. I'm Himanshu Sharma. So today, that is on 29th of Jan 2021, Wipro NLTH Day 1 assessment was conducted. Okay, so our students took up the exam, and this video is made to help students who are going to take up tomorrow and day after tomorrow get an idea about from which sections questions were asked, from which modules, how many questions were asked, what was the level of difficulty, and what should you do at the last minute. Okay, so without wasting any time, let me start. Now we have students from all over India. Okay, so from north side, we have it from the south side, even the central side, east and west. So we have collected, amalgamated all the questions, and we will be discussing that with you today. So, uh, coming to the verbal part, okay. So one student has told, sir, in verbal ability, synonyms and antonyms was asked. Two questions on synonyms and one question on antonyms was asked. Passage reading was there. That is nothing but reading comprehension. One question was asked on sentence correction. Okay, so on sentence correction, you have questions. Reading comprehension, you have questions. This is what was told. Verbal was very easy, sir. There is no difficulty in verbal. Then she told, coming to logical, sir, one question was from blood relations, two questions was from directions. Okay, and coming to quant, one question was from permutation combination, one question was from simplification. Coding question was a bit tough. This is what she told. Okay. At the end, I have a surprise for you with respect to coding. So please do wait for it. So now coming to the other person. Okay. So let us check what the other person told regarding aptitude. Okay. The other person has told, sir, verbal, two questions on synonyms, one question on antonyms, sir. Sentence correction and error detection was asked. Which phrase fits the best in the above sentence was asked. Active and passive voice questions were asked. Sentence improvement and construction questions were asked. This was asked in verbal. Now coming to quant, sir, from quant, number system was asked. In number system, HCF and LCM was asked, divisibility was asked, and simplification question was asked. Profit and loss, two questions were asked. Simple and compound interest question was asked. Permutation and combination question was asked. Time and work, we had questions. Probability, we had questions, and no questions on time, speed, distance was asked. Coming to logical, sir, coding and decoding, we found four questions on coding and decoding. So I think you got to know from which topic are they asking maximum questions in logical. In quant part, they are asking from every topic, but in logical, no, more importance is given to coding and decoding in this Wipro. Direction sense was asked, one question. Blood relations, we had one or two questions. Odd man out, one question was asked. Series, data sufficiency, and seating arrangement, all one questions were asked. This is what she told. And coding, she has shared the information, which I'll talk about it at the end. Okay, so what about the essay topics which they have they mentioned about the essay topics? Just give me a minute, let me check. Okay, so yes, they have shared. I'll just let you know. Okay, so now coming to the next student. Next student has told, sir, essay topic which we got was influence of television and internet on children. This was the essay topic. Verbal, sir, I found questions on synonyms and antonyms, statements and conclusion, reading comprehension. We had fill in the blanks. We had quant, sir, questions I found on probability, percentage, age problems was asked. Okay, which means everybody are getting different topics in quant. The previous student did not get problem on age, but this student has got problem on age. Okay, profit and loss was asked, number system, HCF was asked. Okay, so coming to logical, I got questions on blood relations. Coding and decoding, a lot of questions were asked. I got series, odd one out questions were asked. No questions on clocks, no questions on calendar, no questions on syllogism were asked. So the next student from Maharashtra, she told, sir, from quant, we had HCF, LCM, we had divisibility, we had profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest. Sir, question on logarithm was there. Okay. Combination, probability, problem on H was asked. Coming to verbal parts, sir, synonyms, antonyms, sentence formation, error identification, reading comprehension was asked. Logical part, odd man out was asked. direction sense, coding, decoding, seating arrangement, statements and conclusion was asked, word sequence, number series. Essay which was asked was your opinion for a company to dismiss an employee. I repeat, your opinion for a company to dismiss an employee. This was the essay topic which she got. Okay. So these were the questions which were asked. And one more question on essay was you have around 5 boys and 3 girls, and you are supposed to make a trip. Okay, you are supposed to organize a trip. So how would you narrate it to those people, or how would you organize the trip was the question. So how would you organize the trip? Okay, so on that an essay was asked. So these were the questions which were asked. So what the majority of this discussion is quant part, every topic they're asking question. For few people, they're not asking on problem on age. For few people, they're asking on problem on age. But they're not asking questions on time, speed, distance. In day one, we did not find it. Okay, because all have taken tests from different slots. So we have amalgamated from different slots and we are sharing with you. Time, speed, distance was not asked. One student told, sir, from ratio and proportion, no, I found one question from ratio and proportion. Okay, linear equation, no question were asked. Partnership, no questions. Allegation and mixture, no question was asked. Okay, so basically they were asking on number system. In number system, they are focusing on divisibility. They are focusing on HCF and LCM. They are focusing on simplification. Okay, so please know these topics. And if you ask me, even read a bit of progressions. Okay, they might ask you on progression also. And coming to ratio and proportion, you can expect one question. Percentage, you can expect questions. Profit and loss, you can expect questions. Time, speed, distance, no. Average, no. Simple interest, yes. Compound interest, yes. You can expect from time and work. You can expect pipes and cisterns, no. Okay, permutation combination, yes. Probability, yes. Okay, so this was about the quant part. Verbal part, they're asking synonyms and antonyms. They're asking reading comprehension, paraphrasing. They're asking sentence correction and error identification. All these questions are asked. It is quite simple. Verbal part is not tough. Okay, it is quite simple. Quant is, I would say, not that simple and not even medium. It is in between easy and average. It is in between that. Okay, coming to logical part, more questions are asked on coding and decoding. Around 3 to 4 questions are asked. Series, they are asking. Odd one out, they're asking on blood relation. Okay, so these are the questions which they are asking more. Direction, one sum you can get. Seating arrangement, one sum you can get. Okay, and next, essay topics I've already shared with you. Okay, all general topics which they are asking. So do prepare well on that. And coming to the technical part. So the last part which I had kept was the technical part. Technical part, majority of our students found it tough. They told, sir, we couldn't execute the test cases, whichever we got. Maximum people. Out of 10 people, 6 people told that first program we were able to do, but the second program, no, sir, we couldn't execute test cases. And these are the people whom we have trained for 40 plus 20, 60 hours. People who are trained for 60 hours, who have practiced well, they found it a bit tough. Okay, so I feel that even you people might find it a bit tough. So what we have done is within the next 1.5 hours, no, after this video, we will also be uploading another video specially for technical. So our technical trainer, Shashank sir, he would come, he would discuss what were the questions asked in technical separately, and he would also explain and solve it for you, so that you understand the level of difficulty. And also we will try our best to teach you as much as possible at the last minute. Okay, so this was about Wipro. Quant part manageable, logical part easy, verbal part easy. Okay, essay part topics are easy. Technical part is a bit tough. So please take care of technical. And also one more issue which my students told, sir, time management. Okay, it was a bit difficult for us to manage our time. So take care of time management. Okay, if you're not able to solve a question, leave that question. If you're taking more than 1 minute, leave that question, go to the next one. Okay, so with this, I wish you all the best. All of you who are taking a Wipro tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Okay, do let us know in the comment box if you remember any topic, any question which you would like to share. Please post it in the comment box so that others who are watching this video and they are reading the comments, know it will help them also. Let us help as many people as possible. Let us, get as many people placed as possible. Okay, so with that, I wish you all the best again for Wipro. Take good care of yourselves and revise as well as possible. Bye, people.